What's up, guys? Doing a YouTube video on an endoscope. That's the model. I'll have the link in the description below. Don't mind the stuff around here. I try to do this on the road now. Has a battery built in, comes with an SD card, it says. Again, the link will be in the description below. I haven't opened it myself. It comes in a pretty nice box. It's waterproof. I'm going to be making a video where I go into the cylinders of my car to check out a few things. It's got 464,000 miles on it, and I want to see what the inside all looks like. So that's the box. That's the size of the display. Charging's 4 volt, so it's a slow charge. It says 4 volt 2 amp or 5 volt, whatever. Read it yourself. 2 megapixel camera. Let's open it up. Oh, very light. Nice. And it comes in its own box. I'll probably still put it back in here so I know what the heck is in that box. Nice hard. Is it waterproof? Kind of looks like it. Probably not submerge proof, but waterproof. Will everything be in pieces and falling apart? No. It's got a nice little liner up there. It's not very tight. It'd be nice if it had a zip one, because I'm sure some of this stuff was in there. We've got ourselves a USB A to C. It's nice. Modern. We got the different heads that go on it. We have whatever the heck that one is. I don't know if it focused or not. We have one that looks to the side. One that looks like a magnet. I think that's a magnet. Do I have anything metal? There's nothing that's metal. No, I have nothing metal in here to even test it. I think that's a magnet. Where'd the other one go? And then we have just a lens cover, it looks like. It screws onto something. Hope you guys can see that. And then there's the magnet up close. I think it's a magnet. We'll see. Okay, and that's it. It smells really good. Okay, what's this? We got the manual. If you guys want to see this, pause it, screenshot, and then look at this screenshot. Okay, it's not gonna focus. Hands are all dirty because I just did a window regulator. I don't think you guys can read that. Looks like everything's on one side. The SD card must be inside of it. Hopefully it looks that good. It does bend clear around, so it says. Why is the camera not focusing? Who knows? Sorry, guys. Hopefully you can see it all with pictures. SD card reader, or you can plug it straight in. Lag time normal during photo output. Screen. Just a bunch of stuff. Takes 3 hours to charge, and then we're in a different language. Same pictures, different language. Okay. Okay, let's open this up. The reason I went with this model instead of the one that has the stick that sticks out is because I'm pretty sure I'd break that stick. It says it's 5 foot long. I'm not measuring it. Here's the end of it. Oh, that is a cap. So it does screw on, so you're not just gonna lose it. That's nice. I was hoping it didn't just push on. Ooh, that's hard to do. I bet if that's stretched out straight, it would be, oh yeah, a lot easier. Does it bend clear around? Ooh, yeah. Can you see that? Bends clear around. It's like a worm. Oh, it goes further than clear around. Okay, that's cool. Super easy to do too. As this is straightened out, it's a lot easier to do. Is this like a mesh? Still says it'll be waterproof though. Nice size screen. We got an M button, a light button, up, down, OK, settings, and the power button, and that's the capture button. Does let you roll it from both sides. The voltage of power supply can't be over 12 volt. So it's not gonna automatically register it. It looks like it's got two speakers. Oh, here's the other side. USB, reset, and micro SD card. That's already in. It's supposed to be 32 gig. That's pretty big. Reset and USB to charge it. Hopefully it has a little bit of juice in it. And that's it. Let's turn it on and check it out. Light comes on right away. See how good it picks up my friends over there. I guess we'll peel this off so that way we get the best looking picture. It looks like, okay, so up close. Okay, so it's not made for far away because that looks great. But okay, yeah, so up close it looks great. Far away it's pretty fuzzy. That's alright. Different brightness levels. There, it's off. That's all the way bright, isn't it? Okay, it shows 3 little things up there. It also says it's 26 degrees Celsius. What's M do? Mode. No videos. Oh, you can rewatch the video on here. That's cool. So you got no videos. That's just to take a picture. And it makes a sound. That's cool. There's recording up to 5 minutes, I think it said. And then if you want to go back through. Oh, it takes a while to get to that. Oh, no. Oh, that was the video. Okay. Oh, it's got my audio. It's crazy. Okay. Let's go back to there. Let's see what the OK button does. Does it do anything? Did it just freeze frame it? Oh, cool. So if you see it, you can freeze frame it real quick. What's the up button do? Okay, it says it has a 4 zoom. Yep, it zooms down here at the bottom right. I'm liking that. What's that button do? Oh, it flips it. Okay. It flips. That's nice. Very nice. Let's see what's in settings. Video resolution. Can we make it any higher? No, but we can make it lower. Image quality. Audio, on or off. Key volume. Language, date tag. I don't really need that. Time setting, auto power off. I'm gonna put on 3 minutes. Screen brightness all the way up. Memory, 29 gigs. And reset, and then there is the version. I don't know if you can update it. And then is it just one tap and it shuts off? Nope. Okay, let's just go try something out. Actually, let's put on one of these and see what it does. It's a very fine thread. I would not want to mess it up. Okay, you know what I think this one is? It's a hook. So that means that other one is indeed a magnet, most likely. That's a hook. A hook attachment, kind of nice. It feels as strong as it could be for that. And the other one's going to be a magnet. That's super cool. Now let's see what this one does. This one lets you see. Okay, we gotta go in a tight area. What's it seeing? I'm going to put it behind this TV, see if it. The bright light really messes with that. Oh my gosh. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna make it look at the camera. That is looking at. So it looks at a 90-degree angle. it does. So it does 90 that way. Okay, that's cool. I'm going to put, not really going to test them out, I'm just going to shove it in a hole I got over here. See what it looks like in there. So that's a protector. It does go up just a little bit to protect it. I like that. So let's go over here. Ow! Just jammed the thingy in the thingy. Okay. This is what I got here. We got a register. We'll stick it in. See what it looks like. And then we'll wiggle it around, see how good it looks. And we're gonna have the light on. It's kind of hard to know where you have, if you have it straight or not. Is it turning right away? Okay, there we go. Like left is right and right is left and up is down. Did it end up moving the head itself? No, it did not. I think this is harder to do than I thought it would be. I'm just going to use it to borescope an engine. Power off. Well, I would say the quality of it was very nice. I guess I should have checked how much battery it had. And check out my video of me doing the borescope on my engine and see how good it does. Link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.